How much was the total for them?
I think it was like $14.60.
Oh, that just hurts hearing it. It is February 24th in New York, and I am wearing a short sleeve t-shirt. This might honestly be the greatest day of my life. Okay, maybe not the greatest day of my life, but like top 10 greatest days of my life. Seth is apparently in New York today. I don't know where he is. What's good, man? How you doing?
Yo, what's up, bro? My name is Enzo. Shout out
Nice
to Drake.
meet you.
OVO. Down to the socks, bro.
Yo, where exactly are you? I'm which, south across or east across? Okay. All right, do you see me? Oh, there you are. You have your AirPods on and everything. Hey, Seth.
Because I'm rich. No, I'm just kidding.
How you doing?
So I'm good. How are you? It's good to see you. Wow. To the next block.
It's the next block.
Okay.
We are in the Lower East Side. Seth, where are we going today?
Round 2. I actually forgot. Round 2. Anything really. Travis Scott's, Off-White 5s for me. That's about it.
I already have a pair of Off-White 5s. I would like to get a pair of Travis Scott Dunks. I have a feeling that if they're there, which they probably will not be there, they're gonna be like $1,500, $1,600.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to spend $1,500, $1,600?
No. Will I? No.
Seth is gonna walk out of here with just a giant frown on his face, having spent $2,500 on 2 pair of shoes that he only sort of wanted, not knowing what he's doing with his life. I'm sorry, but I feel like this happens pretty often.
It's usually more like 1,000, not so much 2,500. Plums.
Honestly, the plums are really nice. I just don't wanna. 300?
That's 13.
Whoa. 550 for a size 13?
Could you fit that or not?
I need a size 13. They fit tight.
550.
No, I don't.
They're like barely worn too, dude.
Why do you take me to sneaker stores? This is what happens when I go to sneaker stores. Do they actually have them?
No. They don't have the 5s, but they do have Travis's.
They have the Travis Scott Dunks. Here they are, right down here, the Travis Scott Dunks. They have 3 pairs, size 9.5, size 8.5, and size 7. They're going for $1,350, $1,350, and $1,350. They're all going for $1,350. I mean, it's not quite 15 or 16, but...
You would get the views?
You getting them? Seth is actually making a good decision today. We're gonna go for lunch and you're gonna think about it?
Yeah, cause okay, so think about it this way. From the business point of view, the shoe is $1,350 after tax. It's like $1,478 or something like that. If I sold them on StockX right now, I would get $986. So it's a $472 video. Will that make the money back? Probably not. So it's like, is it worth it for the new subscribers? Is it worth it for the? Wow, there's a lot.
Seth is currently inside of round, sorry, there's a septic truck here. Seth is currently inside of round 2. I don't know why, but he has decided to buy the Dunks for $1,350. Here they are. Oh my goodness. Round 2 is like the only place on earth that has these right now. They're nice.
Here, come over here. I got this.
Oh, here's the box and everything.
Check it out.
Jeez. These are crazy. They're really, really nice. So all of this bandana looking material scrapes off and there's like an elephant print underneath. To be 100% honest, I like the bandana material way more than I like the elephant print underneath. Like I would not scrape it off in a million years. I don't think it looks good. But the way it looks right now, these things are crazy. Now this isn't the crazy special limited packaging, but this is the regular, I mean, you can't really call it a GR if they're still stupid limited, but it's the regular GR packaging. Wow. These are something. Pink swoosh, these rope laces. These come out on Saturday and there's literally only 2 places to get them in New York. There's Concepts and there's Supreme, and it's gonna be a complete nightmare at both of them. So I have approximately -7% chance of getting a pair for retail. Did you actually just buy them?
I just bought them.
How do you feel?
Terrible.
But hey, they look nice.
Yeah.
And you're like probably the only person to have them right now.
Yeah, totally worth it.
I don't know how I feel about these. I like them. I 100% like them. The box is amazing. I like this box better than the special limited edition box. I don't know. I just think it's fun and cool and fun and cool. The shoes, on the other hand, are very, very nice. Extra laces are inside the box. Don't worry. I know lots of you guys are going to say they're fake because there's not extra laces. They're just not attached. They're inside of the box. Oh. Do I want to pay $1,200, $1,300, $1,400 for these? No, I 100% do not. But on the flip side, do I appreciate like the design and the concepts and the look of the shoe? Yeah, 100%. I like these. I think it's a cool pair of shoes. I love how it rips off and there's the elephant print underneath. I just don't love that it's elephant print underneath. I wish they had put something cooler underneath. My favorite part about this shoe overall though has to be the dark gray suede swoosh on the outside and then the pink suede swoosh on the inside. I'm a sucker for anything like that where it's different from side to side or from shoe to shoe. I just really like stuff like that. It's these rope laces which I see being just a giant pain in the butt to tie and like keep looking clean because they're already really fraying, and the more you like drag it through the shoe holes, the eyelets, it's this tan suede on the tongue. The quality is nice. Like you can see the color on the suede change if you rub your finger on it. There's a Cactus Jack patch right there, Nike on the back, and then there's like mom's tablecloth on the midfoot right there. That's what it reminds me of. Like if you're going for a family dinner, you're having a barbecue outside in the backyard on a nice July afternoon, the tablecloth is gonna look like this. So I don't know if Travis Scott had a barbecue themed. Also, I don't know if he had a gang theme in this shoe because there's a blue bandana all over the place. So don't wear these in the wrong neighborhood, boys and girls, please and thank you. I love you, and I don't want you to get shot and or stabbed and or mugged and or looked at weirdly. I don't know. They come out on Saturday. I'm gonna try and get a pair. As I said, Concepts and Supreme are the only places getting them. So I'm probably not going to get them for retail, and if it comes to the point where I'm having to pay $800, $900, $1,000, $1,200 for a size 12 in these, I'm over it. They're releasing in Winnipeg as well at Livestock. I got a bunch of people to fill out raffles for me, so maybe that works out and I get them. If I can, who knows, maybe these go in a March mystery box if I'm able to get my hands on a pair for a decent price, because I like them, but I don't need them that bad. Overall, I give them like a solid 7 out of 10. If you're excited to get them, let me know down in the comment section below. I think this is a big hype release. I think people are getting really hyped up about these, not because they look cool, but because it's a collaboration with Travis Scott, and Nike SBs are all of a sudden really popular. In other news, I had a spontaneous nosebleed and it dripped on my shirt. I mean, it's just a little... I like this shirt. So these two lovely guys just bumped into us and are now taking a photo shoot of Seth holding shoes up to his ear. You guys getting the shots?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Speaking of the March mystery box though, these might go in it, except Seth has something for me that is definitely going in it. But besides to buy those stupidly expensive shoes, the reason Seth came down here to give me these. I mean, he's not giving them to me. I bought them off of him. He gave me a he gave me a really good, we would say really good price, right?
Yeah, of course. StockX Pale, baby.
Quantums, size
9.
Size 9.
Yeah, no half sizes.
No half sizes on these. I am obviously not going to wear these because they're a size 9. I'm not going to play basketball in these because they're a size 9. I'm not going to do anything with these.
Yeah.
What we are going to do with these is these are going inside of a March mystery box. If you want a March mystery box, link in the description. If you have any questions about mystery boxes, shoot me an email. I will happily answer them with the link in my, well, I guess there's not a link in my bio, but the email is there, so just shoot me an email. Someone is going to be very happy. I mean, I don't know who's going to get these. Someone's going to get these. I sort of wish I could keep them, but they're like a size 9.
Yeah, it wouldn't fit. Maybe on your toe.
Excuse me, sir, do you want to use these? Did we actually just see him?
We just saw
100%, he was wearing the same outfit.
Yeah,
when did he post
we
that?
Saw Peter Dinklage.
We just saw Peter Dinklage walking down 6th Avenue in the West Village.
That's sick, dude.
Are you fanboy?
Yeah, dude. I like Peter Dinklage.
Who doesn't like Peter Dinklage?
British dude. Ice Poseidon. He's like, that's a yikes for me. He's not British, no, it's his British friend. I don't know.
What is he talking about?
Stop at 30. Oh, it's just one stop at 34th.
Yeah, go straight to 34th.
Then we gotta cross the street.
If YouTube didn't work out, would you want to be a subway operator?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, I'm really good at saying Sam.
Dude, you be the dude that reads the stops that no one can understand because the mic is too muffled, and I'll drive the train and we can be a sick team. versus